Ever wanted to get into PC gaming but didn't know where to start? The first step is choosing the right PC. When it comes to PC gaming, one of the first decisions you'll have to make is whether to go for a pre-built PC or a custom build. Pre-built PCs are ready to use straight from the box. They are typically well-balanced and offer warranty coverage, but they might not be tailored to your specific gaming needs. On the other hand, custom builds give you the freedom to pick and choose your components. They can be tailored to your specific needs, whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast. However, building a PC requires a bit of technical know-how, and you'll need to be comfortable handling delicate components. Regardless of whether you choose a pre-built PC or a custom build, there are key components you need to consider. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is essentially the brain of your PC. It handles most of the calculations your computer performs, and a higher-end CPU will allow your games to run smoother. The Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, is responsible for rendering the stunning visuals you see in games. A more powerful GPU will allow you to play games at higher resolutions and with more detailed visuals. Random Access Memory, or RAM, is your computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data your PC needs quick access to. For gaming, 16 gigabytes of RAM is a good starting point, but you might need more if you're playing more demanding games or doing other resource-intensive tasks like video editing. Lastly, don't forget about storage. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, offer faster load times than traditional hard disk drives, or HDDs. This can be a game-changer in games where every second counts. Choosing the right PC is a critical first step in your PC gaming journey. It can be a bit overwhelming, but by understanding what each component does and how it affects your gaming experience, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision. Once you've chosen your gaming PC, you're ready for the next step, setting up your gaming environment. Now that you have your PC, it's time to set up your gaming environment. The choice of monitor, keyboard, and mouse can substantially influence your gaming experience. For the monitor, you might want to consider aspects like refresh rate, response time, and resolution. A high refresh rate and low response time can give you a smoother gaming experience, while high resolution brings out the fine details in your games. Next up, we have the keyboard and mouse. You might be surprised at how much a mechanical keyboard can improve your gaming experience. The tactile feedback and quick response can give you an edge in fast-paced games. The same goes for the mouse. A high-quality gaming mouse with adjustable DPI can improve your accuracy and responsiveness. Don't forget about ergonomics and lighting as well. An ergonomically designed chair and desk can prevent strain during long gaming sessions. Proper lighting can reduce eye strain and create an immersive atmosphere. With a comfortable and efficient gaming environment, you're all set to install your operating system. The next step is installing your operating system. We'll provide a brief overview of how to do this. So, you've got your shiny new gaming PC set up, and now it's time to breathe life into it with an operating system, or OS. Arguably the most popular choice among gamers is Windows due to its compatibility with a vast range of games. Other options could be Linux or even macOS, but these may limit your gaming options. To install Windows, you'll need a licensed copy which can be purchased online or in-store. Once you have this, you can create a bootable USB drive using another computer. Plug this into your new PC, turn it on, and voila! The installation process will guide you through the rest. Don't forget, once your OS is installed, it's crucial to run any necessary updates. These updates often include security patches and improvements that will help keep your PC running smoothly. It's typically as simple as clicking check for updates in your system settings. Now, here's a tip that's particularly aimed at gamers. It's essential to install the latest drivers for your graphics card. These drivers are software that allows your OS to fully utilize the power of your GPU. You can usually find these on the manufacturer's website. Regular updates to these drivers often provide performance improvements in new games, so it's worth keeping them up to date. Once you've installed your operating system, you're ready to start installing your games. Now comes the fun part, installing your games. Once your gaming PC is set up and ready to go, it's time to dive into the world of gaming. But where do you start? Well, you'll need a platform to purchase, download, and manage your games. There are several options out there, but some of the most popular ones are Steam and the Epic Games Store. Steam, developed by Valve Corporation, is a video game digital distribution service with a vast library of games, from indie gems to blockbuster hits. It's easy to use, just create an account, browse the store, and when you find a game you want, hit the Add to Cart button, then Purchase for Myself. The game will then be added to your library where you can download and install it. On the other hand, the Epic Games Store, developed by Epic Games, is another digital platform that has been making waves in the gaming world. It operates similarly to Steam. Create an account, browse the store, purchase your game, and it's ready to download and install. Remember, each platform has its own unique features and exclusive games, so it's worth checking out both to see which one suits your gaming needs the best. There are also other platforms like Origin and Uplay, which offer games from specific publishers. Now that you've got your games installed, let's move on to optimizing your game settings. The final step in setting up your PC for gaming is optimizing your game settings. Now, this is where the magic happens, striking that perfect balance between performance and quality. It's not just about cranking up every slider to the max. It's more like a delicate dance, fine-tuning each setting to ensure your game runs smoothly while still looking fantastic. You might start with the resolution, then tweak texture quality, shadow details, and anti-aliasing. Each game is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. And let's not forget about the unsung heroes of gaming, the drivers. Keeping your GPU drivers updated is crucial for optimal performance. They act as the middleman between your hardware and the game, translating the game's code into a language your hardware understands. So, remember to regularly check for updates and make sure you're not missing out on any performance boosts. With your game settings optimized, you're ready to start gaming. And that's it. You're now ready to start your PC gaming journey. We've covered a lot of ground today, from choosing the right PC, whether it's a pre-built or a custom build, to understanding the key components that make your gaming experience exceptional. Remember, the heart of your gaming machine lies in components like the CPU, GPU, and RAM. We also delved into setting up your gaming environment, stressing the importance of a good monitor, keyboard, mouse, and ergonomic setups. Don't forget the significance of suitable lighting to protect your precious eyes. Moving on, we walked you through the steps to install your operating system, ensuring it's updated with the necessary drivers. Then, we explored the world of game platforms, guiding you on how to purchase and download games. Finally, we discussed how to optimize your game settings for the perfect balance between performance and quality. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your own gaming experiences in the comments. Happy gaming!
We'll be right back.